Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today in this video live on Facebook, I am going to talk about this upcoming forex Oanda API course. And if you got any questions or comments, please type away at the bottom of this video or get in touch with me via social media, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and I'll get your questions. So what am I talking about? Well, we've been doing a course for about over a year here. So what I'm speaking of is you come under the shopping cart at quantlabs.net under the shop tab. You'll go under single courses, click here for Python courses, and then you'll get this presentation, all the material, what's in the course, and then you get the buy now to get the course. It's pretty cheap. So right now, it focuses on cryptocurrency, but people have been asking about, since I've been moving into Oanda forex trading, people have been asking about that, I guess my students, and they wanted to see how I do it using all the material that I've got in that Python course. So that's what I'm going to do. Looking to be Tuesday, and still a tiebreaker between, I'm in Eastern Standard Time, same time as New York. Either it's going to be in the evening or during the day in the afternoon of a Tuesday. I'm looking at Tuesday, July 23rd to do it. And again, it's going to be live. The duration of the course or workshop will be anywhere from 3 to 5 hours, depending upon the number of people and the actual number of questions and Q&A and engagement and all that. But that's kind of the allocation for that. And I would highly recommend you get on the Python course ASAP, because there's going to be elements from that course I'll be talking about in the workshop, so you can fully understand what I'm talking about. So that's the goal. Now, let's talk about what we're going to try to cover in this course. So in the course, let me just get over to the live considerations. If you go over to my blog here and you look for this article here called Live Forex with Oanda API Python Workshop Considerations, these are the topics I plan to talk about. So number one is wrangling data from Oanda API, which is in REST, into the standard that I like to use is Pandas. Pandas data frame, data structure in Python. I love data frames. They're easy to work with. The other one is interfacing the technical analysis routines with Oanda, the data, using TALib, the technical analysis library that I use, for, again, taught in the course. Manipulate critical long short position forex outlook in real time for trend direction. This is the key. If you want to do well in forex, you're able to watch the direction of price. You do it through the long and short, which is available on Oanda as a feature, but not many platforms give it to you through a programmatical way. The only way that I know of is through the API, and again, I do have capabilities to do that, and that gives you in real time market direction, market trend for that pair. I've been using it for a while, and it pretty well works. The very first time I turned it on, I got a 94% win ratio with a particular pair, so it can work. And it's one of the entry conditions I use to kind of more guarantee that you're going to have more momentum behind that price on the entry. So it's a long and short what can help you there. I only do long, but I'm sure the shorting opportunities are a lot more in versus long, because the way the market is right now, it's really bizarre where there's more down than up. So we're going to go back to point number 4. So the last point we're going to look at is demonstration of order execution. In there, I probably will talk about position sizing, because if you use what I call the long-short ratio on a pair, you can use that to measure your magnitude of your leverage. Okay, so again, you need to take that course, or at least understand the concepts I'm talking about here. That's why I'm making this video, to help you prepare for this on the 23rd. Again, I'm only doing this once, so if at any point you decide to question, this is a time I'm giving almost a 2-week lead time on this, and giving you the exact areas where you need to focus. So, the general Python helps because it's just simpler programming. As I said, the workshop will be between 3 to 5 hours, as I said. So I've pretty well nailed down the date and time. Depending upon the number of attendees, they can be coming through either current Python course students who want to lever up in this, or elite members that just want to get a bonus course, because this course will be added to my elite arsenal of courses available for my elite, and the video playback will be put into the elite membership as well. So the easiest way to get into it is by getting this course here, the intro to Quant elite membership, or just get, right now I've got a special on via email. I got a special on via email where you get for $9.97 a 3-year term with the elite. So it's 3 years. I don't give that. I only got 4 slots, I think 5 slots available, 4 or 5 available. So they will get filled pretty quick, I hope. So if you want a 3-year term, that's what you get right now is on the elite. Go to the store. It's easy to see. And then after that, once I hit the 4 or 5 slots, then I reduce the term to 2 years, and then back to 1, because it does cost me money to have that kind of real discounted price. So that's what we're looking at, July 23rd, Tuesday, for the course. If you got any questions, let me know. I'm probably planning this Monday to do a live webinar. If you got questions on how to prepare for this thing, or more details on this course, I can do that. It will probably be on Monday 12 noon, or Tuesday 12 noon this coming week, and I will try to help you. And then the following week, that's when the workshop takes place. So again, it's going to be live once. I've done this before for 2 other courses. It'll be live once, and everything else will be video on demand as part of my other 5th now course for the elite program, and that's to be added in as a bonus for all my elite members. And right now, this will also be available for my Python students as well that are currently going through the course. Also, I don't talk about a lot is the chat server, the private one, the anonymous, secure chat server. That will become part of an extra added bonus that you get for life. So on there, I talk about all my private stuff and all what I'm seeing in the markets and all the technical stuff as well. So you get a membership to that as well. So again, if you are interested in this stuff, July 23rd is a day I am intending to put it. Will it be evening or night Eastern Standard Time? Depends upon you on the survey. That's why I've been pushing the survey to get people to by popularity to see what times they want for that time. So it's Tuesday. It's a tie right now between Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday evening. So I have temporarily set the date for July 23rd, which is a Tuesday. So that's what I'm looking at, but it can change according to the results of that poll that I've got running. So this will be, as I said, a one-time live event, and most people will pay upwards of $1,000 for this type of attending, versus the amount of stuff that I do in terms to get you up and running. And the other reason why I make the chat server available for people, if they got questions, and people are on there to help you out as well. We've got some experienced programmers and traders full-time that do this stuff, and there's a whole whack load of people of different backgrounds and different ambitions on there as well. And even for me, where I learn most of my stuff is from the people on that chat server. So that is what I'm going to also add. And on top of, as I said, 3 years for, it's damn cheap, man. You could a car payment. You get 3 of those car payments. You get 3 years. That's why I'm keeping the number of slots available for it at 4 to 5. That's it, no more. So if you want to get that plus the live workshop for the forex trading and also learn about Python to build your own custom bot for crypto, by all means, you'll get all that for 3 years, and all the new stuff I'll be getting into, like machine learning, the big boy stuff. On top of that, I could go on and on and on about it. But you're not going to get it. I can't do it this low anymore because we are going to be leveraging up marketing heavily on Facebook pretty fast and pretty soon. And once that starts to take place, we'll get more people asking about the product, more value be bad, and it's just going to go up and up and up. And not only that, but the current test that I'm running with the new quote-unquote bot strategy for crypto, if you have not seen my webinar on it, 50% win ratio, folks, 50%. That is damn good because nobody gets that out there. I used to get 70, 80%. That was when it just identified 2 pairs and it just went up and up and up, and that's all it did was just trading that, and the ratios of wins were really high for that. But this strategy is totally different, where it just relies on bid and ask in crypto, and as I talked about, long and short for within the forex. So that's where we're at. If you got any questions, let me know. I'll get back to you on this, and I'll be also putting this video up on YouTube and my blog, and maybe even on Instagram TV. I've been trying out, and I'm surprised at that as well. Oh, and I forgot I do podcasts as well. I'm an idiot. But other than that, we shall talk to you later. Hopefully this will help you out. If you take your trading seriously and want to go automated on the cheap, this is the place to be, because you ain't going to get it anywhere else where you can get the trading results as well. Live money will be thrown at the crypto probably in the next week. I've already got about $700 that I've got sitting in Binance, and I'll be putting it all together with both the Kraken and the other one, Oanda. Now, people are going to ask, why Oanda? Half of my market are U.S. based, and with the restrictions and the regulation in the U.S., even though they say they're the freest country in the world, it's something that Kraken is based out of San Francisco, so they're regulated out of the U.S., and Oanda is the last API supported broker in the U.S. still, and that's it. That's all there is. I mean, there is forex.com, but I think they push more MetaTrader. And when I talked about the long and short stuff, you will not get that order book information on MetaTrader. You'll get it on Motivate, but you're going to spend about $1,500 for that. Whereas Python's free. It's open source. Anyways, that's what we're talking about, and yeah. So if there are no questions, I'll say bye-bye for now, and hopefully, and remember, this Monday or Tuesday we'll have live Q&A for the prepping of your Forex course when we go live, so you can go through the Python course if you want to do that right away. I jump on it ASAP to get in all the info you need when I start to talk about all the info found in Forex. So I'll be covering the next 2 impossible tasks of getting Oanda working in Python, because you got to, as I said, in the considerations, wrangle that data from REST to data frame, and good luck with that. But I'm going to have the code for that, and I spent many hours to get it working. You get it, you'll be saving yourself a lot of time with that, and you'll be saving a lot of time in other areas as well. But get live and ask questions on that. That's why the live workshop has a lot of advantages as opposed to waiting and then watching it on demand, because I'm not as effective through a video or through a chat server or something. Other than that, we shall talk to you later. Have a good day, and over and out, and hopefully we'll see you on the other side when you sign up. If you do, If not, we could still be friends. Talk to you later.